One home for everything,
Okay.
like with like, and something in, something out.
Okay.
The first two we use when we're getting organized. The last one we use when we're staying organized.
What can we do to stop procrastinating? We can eat the frog. That's it. This is the irony about procrastination. The thing that we want to spend the least amount of time with, we actually end up spending the most amount of time with because we keep dragging it around behind us. It is much better to just eat the frog because you're not going to make it go away by procrastinating.
When we think about showing up in extraordinary ways as if that's how we were factory built, just like our breath, right? We are built to be extraordinary. That shouldn't be an exceptional experience for us. We should show up extraordinarily, and yet we often feel overwhelmed, like average is about the best that I could hope for in this moment. So I want to help you physically to clear away all of the clutter, all of the mental noise, and all of the physical material things that are sitting between you and the ability to be your best self consistently.
You can't bank time, you can bank money, but you cannot bank time. Every 10 minutes we're interrupted by technology, and it takes 23 minutes to recover from an interruption. This is, again, very simple math. 2 interruptions, 2 recoveries, it's an hour lost in the day. If you get to the end of your day and you think, good grief, I was crazy busy today and I got nothing done. It's possible that you are constantly being interrupted, doing your best to recover, but now it's the end of the day and you have a story that you tell yourself, oh, well, now that it's quiet, I'm going to actually do my work. Right? I'll stay, the office is empty, I'm just going to dig in, and this is when I'm really going to get the work done. Wouldn't it be better if you could actually get your work done in the work day instead of having to compensate for all these interruptions and distractions?
We're not going to corral time. We're not going to beat time into submission. We're going to manage ourselves in relationship to time. The clock is doing what the clock does. The only thing that we have control over is ourselves. So many of the choices that we make or the reactions, responses that we have to time and to math are based on story that's running back here, and it's not up here in our awareness, in our actual presence of mind in the moment. And a lot of what we do today is I'm going to be poking a hole in a lot of that narrative for you.